This is how to construct an angle bisector using a pencil and string. Again, this won't be our best way to do this, as the string and the pencil are not the most exact methods of doing this, but we will try our best. The first thing that we're going to do is think about what an angle bisector does. An angle bisector finds the middle of the angle to split it into two equal halves. The middle then should be the same distance from each side of the angle. In order to do that, we need to create an arc that goes across the entire angle first, so that we can mark equidistant spots on the two sides. And then we can mark in the middle from each of those the same distance towards the middle of the angle, which is what we will do. Now, it doesn't matter how far in the angle you are to start with, but we're going to place our string at the vertex. Again, not super far. I go about a little less than halfway. You can go halfway, a little further. It doesn't really matter. And again, we're going to create an arc. My string is moving around. I'm going to go with that second arc. I'm going to trust that one a little bit more than the first one. To show that I'm trusting that one, I'm going to put little X's through this one, just to show that I'm not considering that one. So then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to be placing our anchor on these two marks that we've just made, these two intersections, one on each side, because those are the same distance away from the vertex. So then I'm going to place my pencil back on my string. And again, it doesn't matter how long the string is. It could be a little shorter, a little farther, as long as it goes over the middle. It's not so short like this that it's not going to go over the middle. So I'm going to go towards the middle. As long as it's going to cross over the middle, I'll be happy. And then I want to keep that the same, so I'm kind of marking it with my nail, and I'm just going to move that over to the other intersection and create this arc. So this arc was from this endpoint, and this arc is from this endpoint, and those should be the same distance. Once we have that, we've marked the middle of the angle. The angle bisector should lie on that point, and it should also go through the vertex. So when I connect those 2 points, I should create an angle bisector, which I will do now. And this should create 2 congruent angles.